Hey everyone! Welcome back to English Era Story. I'm so happy you're here. Have you ever felt like your morning is a race against the clock? Well, today you're coming with me. We're going to look at my morning sprint. Pay close attention to how I order my tasks and how often I do them. Are you ready? Let's jump into my shoes. Sarah's Monday morning. Good morning, guys. It is 6:30 a.m. on a Monday. I always feel a little tired when the alarm goes off. Do you? I usually hit the snooze button once, but today I need to be fast. First, I sit up and stretch my arms. After that, I stand up and walk to the window. I always open the curtains to let the sunlight in. It helps me wake up. Then I go straight to the bathroom. I always brush my teeth first thing in the morning. I never forget to do that. After that, I splash some cold water on my face. It feels amazing. Now it's time for the most important part of my day, the kitchen. I usually walk very slowly to the kitchen because I am still a bit sleepy. First, I fill the kettle with water. Then, I turn it on. I always drink a big glass of water while I wait for my coffee. Sometimes I eat breakfast, but today I am in a rush. I usually have oatmeal, but today I'll just have a banana. After that, I check my phone for exactly 5 minutes. I never check my emails before 7 a.m. because I want a peaceful morning. Next, I go back to my bedroom to get dressed. I usually choose my clothes the night before, so this is very quick. Today, I am wearing my favorite blue sweater. Then, I put on my watch and grab my bag. Finally, I walk to the front door. I always check for my keys twice. I sometimes lose them, so I have to be careful. After that, I put on my shoes, open the door, and head to the bus stop. My morning sprint is finished. It's a busy start, but it works for me. Now I'm ready for the day. Whew, we made it to the bus on time. How does your morning compare to mine? For more practice, make sure to check out the full transcript and the vocabulary worksheet for this story on our website. You can find the link right down there in the video description. And if you enjoyed this episode, hit that like button and subscribe for more English listening practice. See you in the next video.